How to sign in with Twitter on OnlyFans. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can sign in with Twitter on OnlyFans. So let's start. First of all, open OnlyFans. You can open either the website or the app version of it. Then after, as you open the platform, you'll find these various sign-in options. As you can see, you can sign in with Twitter or sign in with Google or sign in passwordless. In order to sign in with Twitter, you can simply tap on this sign in with Twitter option. Then after, you'll have to enter your username or email address of your Twitter account and then its password. After you enter these details, you can simply tap on this sign in option that you can see on the screen. If you have forgotten your Twitter password, you can simply tap on this forgot password and then reset your password. After that, re-enter the password and then sign in. After you tap on sign in, your OnlyFans account associated with Twitter will be successfully logged in. So in this way, you can sign in with Twitter on OnlyFans. That's it for the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.